Hi all! As you know, any freestanding object has a tough time staying upright on a windy day. In this short video, I'll share a few tips for getting the most out of your portable solar robot setup in windy conditions, and touch briefly on the engineering inspiration behind pSolBot. On this day in Austin, Texas, we had steady winds in the 20 to 30 miles per hour range, perfect for a demo. So the first line of defense for pSolBot is staking the feet through the built-in slots. For extra stability, add guy lines using the eye hooks, carabiners, and paracord. Together, these keep the system firmly anchored even in gusty weather. It is strongly recommended to use velcro ties included in the accessory kit for securing the panel to the carriage ends. Next, use the wing nuts and thumb screw to secure the auxiliary solar panel. This prevents shifting and keeps the tracker trickle charged for days of unattended use. Some users have also shared creative grounding methods, like using water bottles or power stations as ballast. Remember, wind forces increases rapidly with speed. A lightweight solar panel's surface area can exert surprisingly large forces. The pSolBot gearbox is engineered to handle this efficiently while keeping the panel locked on the sun. When designing pSolBot, we took cues from nature. A tree, for example, dissipates wind energy through many elements. The leaves flutter, branches flex, and even the trunk sways. Interestingly, during storms, a tree's sapwood can actually warm slightly from this flexing motion. Our foldable panels also include perforations to help reduce wind impact. Of course, everything has limits. Even a sturdy tree can fall in a heavy storm. So please use good judgment, especially when staking isn't possible or wind exceeds 30 miles per hour. Lastly, keeping ground-mounted panels upright in the wind is nearly impossible. That's why we developed solar stakes, a simple accessory that attaches to many Jackery-style panels to help anchor them securely. Learn more about this in the description below.